Guess what? I just texted Robert Pattinson, and he can't wait to come over tomorrow. OMG. I got a date with Joe Jonas!
Guess what? I just texted Taylor Lautner, and he said he can't wait to come over later.
Man, Fauna, today was boring.
Yeah, what do you want to do?
Hey, I got an idea, Fauna. Let's go ask the girls to play hide and seek.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, girls, I have an idea. Girls, an idea, you know, something to do that's fun.
Josh, let me try.
Okay.
Let me try, Josh.
Of
Ladies,
course.
ladies.
Yes, Fano?
Josh has an idea.
Girls, want to play hide and seek?
Hide and seek? Yeah!
We'll do it like this. Me and Josh will face towards TV, close our eyes, and count to 10, and you girls will go hide.
Pretty simple. Sounds easy. I guess we could do it.
Cool, you never find me.
Alright, we're going to go count now.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I'll go this way, you go that way. Okay, I'll go this way.
Josh, we'll split up. Which way do you want to go?
This way.
I'll go that way.
Alright.
Man, Josh, what could it be?
I don't know, Fauna.
Let's go.
Alright. I just say we give up.
Yeah.
Girls! get money.